Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off active status on Instagram. Let's get started. To get started, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page, where you can view your posts, followers, and other information. Next, locate the three horizontal lines, menu icon, in the top right corner of your profile page. From the menu, select Settings. This will open a new page with various settings for customizing your Instagram experience. Under the heading How Others Can Interact with You, look for Messages and Story Replies and tap on it. This section controls how people can message you and reply to your stories. Finally, find the option that says Show Activity Status and toggle the switch next to it to turn it off. By doing this, you'll be hiding your active status from others. So, that's all you need to do to control your privacy on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.